Now we move on to number 9. Now this is a different type of question. This is what we call a rational expression, and we're using the polynomial, which is this term here, this expression here rather, divided by a monomial. A monomial is just one term, okay? And there are two ways that we could do this, okay? I mean, in arithmetic, when we do division to with a rational expression, then it's easy because the terms here, then we could evaluate them, and then we would do brackets first, and then we do exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. But with algebra, we're not able to add these numbers because there are variables in there, right? And we don't know what the variables are. So we have to find a way to simplify our problem so that we could have a simpler expression. Okay, and let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. Let's say we had 2 plus 4 plus 6 divided by 2, and this is the arithmetic version. All right, and remember, algebra is just a, arithmetic with variables. Okay, so that's why we have the x or the y or whatever the variables are. But the point is we're not able to evaluate them unless we know what the variables are. Okay, with arithmetic it's different because we know what the numbers are and we're able to evaluate them. I mean, everybody knows what 2 plus 4 is. That's 6, right? And 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6 is 12. And so we would work out the brackets and we get 12 divided by 2. And that's simple. That's 6. But there's another way that we could do it. And that way is by working out the factors. So when you have an expression of such 2 plus 4 plus 6 in brackets and you divide it by 2, I mean, you could write it with the bar notation where you have 2 plus 4 plus 6 over 2. And as it were, when we did addition with fractions, then you could separate them out to give you 2 divided by 2 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 6 divided by 2. Okay? And of course, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 1 plus 2 plus 3 is what? 6. The same answer, right? So we got to the same answer using two different techniques. Okay. Now with algebra, we're not able to do this technique because we cannot do the brackets. We don't know what x is. Okay. So we have to use this approach. Okay. So basically, what we're doing is we are gonna work out the factors for each term of the expression. Okay. So this is what we're doing essentially. 5x to the fourth over divided by x squared plus 3x cubed divided by x squared plus 2x squared divided by x squared. That's essentially what we're doing. And it's the same technique like we did when I show you the example with the arithmetic. Okay. All right. So here we have a simpler expression which we could work out because x squared is actually a factor of all these terms. Okay, and so that's why we do it like this to simplify it. So x squared into x squared, 1x squared into x to the fourth, that's going to give you 5x squared. Okay, plus X squared into this goes 3x plus x squared into x squared is 1, so that leaves you with 2. And your final answer is going to be this, 5x squared plus 3x plus 2. Okay? And you could always double check to make sure that your answer is correct and that you've done the right thing. If you have any doubts, then you should be able to get back this expression if you multiply this by x squared. Let's do it. So 5x squared plus 3x plus 2, and we're going to multiply that by x squared and see if we get this back. Okay? Now x squared times 5x squared should give us 5x to the fourth, right? Plus x squared times 3x, that's 3x to the third, right? Plus x squared times 2 should give us 2x squared. And if you look at this, 5x to the fourth plus 3x cubed plus 2x is the same as this. Okay, so if we multiply our answer by the divisor, or the x squared that we divided by, then we should get back the same answer. So this is just a fact check. Okay, that's if you're not sure or if you have any doubts. Okay, thank you.